Inside prayers are offered here each and every time, a continuous flow of devotion connecting generations and the visitors of all over the world. The candlelight flickers gently in air, each flame a prayer, a hope, a memory from people who have come here from near and far. And guys, my devotional visit has come to an end. As I made my way down, I stumbled upon a quiet scenic spot. Wait, let me show you. You want to move further? Yeah, you can see there's a pink color flowers. Yes, perfect for taking pictures. I paused, clicked, and captured little fragments for this day. Moments I will treasure forever. Each photo felt like a memory frozen in time, a reminder of the climb, the views, the serene shrine, the prayers, and the stories that filled with sacred place. Heart full of nostalgia and new memories, I slowly walked back, carrying not just souvenirs or pictures, but the warm peace and the joy of a truly unforgettable visit. Okay, guys, bye. Let me come back with another devotional visit. Bye bye.